What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and this is part 2 on my Ram 1500 front end swap. If you have not seen part 1 where I go over all the details, please check it out. It's right here. I'll leave a link right here for you, and also the affiliate links for all the parts that I'm gonna be using for this swap. Again, I have a 2011 Ram Sport 1500 from 2009 to 2012. Is still within 4th generation. However, the front end on the sport ones, Express and some other ones, the fog lights are horizontal and the grille goes like a trapezoid, complete trapezoid. So on the 2013 and on, the rest of the 4th generation, the fog lights are vertical and the grille is a little bit different. So like I said on the previous video, if you want to know more details about this swap, look at the first video. It was on the card right here before, or in the link in the description below. Make sure you check that video out before you start watching this video. Other than that, let's go ahead and start swapping things up. But before I start, please, if you haven't subscribed, turn the notification bell on. Also, leave me a comment. Have you done this before? Have you done anything different about what you're about to see? And other than that, let's get right into it. By the way, I might not do like a step-by-step. I'm probably just gonna let the camera run because I'm not following any directions. I'm just gonna go with the flow and then tell you at the end what I did, just in case you did not notice. Let's go ahead and get started. Ahorita, mamá. It's also 8. Sí, mi amor. Now, apparently there is a bolt, probably on both sides, that is gonna be inside here. It's a 10 millimeter, so I gotta look for it. It's actually right here, I think. Right over here. So basically this bolt is sandwiching this and this together, the fender and the bumper. Almost got it all. There it is. You can see it goes right here. So that's good. I gotta do this side, but you don't have to watch me. Here's the other one. You have some clips right here. I don't know if there's anything on the bottom that needs to be taken off. It seems like I have a few 10 millimeters. This thing is loose. These are the 4 that I took out. And this thing is ready to come off. This in the back bar. See how that goes. I see a 10 right there. One, is 4. No, no, no. Let me show them to you. So right there, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pins that I guess I gotta take out, and this thing should be free. Let me go ahead and do that, take my time because I don't want to break them, and at least I already show you where they are. So I got it out. I found that I pulled up and then lever it from behind, from the top, and that thing comes up, and you can see the 4 pins right there. Now I gotta take this absorber off. Let's see what we're dealing with. Let's see, 1, 2 10 millimeters. You know what, since I don't want to lose this, I'm gonna just screw them where they go. That way I know where they go and I don't end up. And then you have a wiring harness as well for the lights. I gotta unclip this. There you go. All right, that's out of the way. There's another one right here on top of the fog light. Somewhere over here. Let's see if I can take that afterwards. Let me see what others I have to take care of. These two, also 10s. I'm gonna take them off. That thing is loose. Again. Now, watch out, because these two, they're longer than the ones from the center. So keep track on that. And then 2 on the other side. This is gonna come out with the fog lights, so make sure you unplug the fog lights. Now to remove this, I have some bigger bolts right here, and I guess this comes, I'm gonna have to tackle it from the rear. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. So let me go ahead and grab those. They look like 11/16, maybe 3/4. That might be metric, so let me check on that. Well, 18 seem to fit very well in here. Now I just gotta make sure I have enough space. No issues whatsoever. Let's see how this thing is gonna come out. Oh, super easy. There you go. So one thing to know, this one only comes with 1 on each side. So that means that I'm gonna have to be reusing the ones on the bottom, 2 on each side, and they just held with those little clamps, whatever, because that you can't get out, and that's the one that it currently has. So I have to take these 2 out, take those 2 out and reuse them. Now another thing to notice is that the new bumper reinforcement doesn't come with any of these clips. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm also gonna be reusing those. I got this out. I just went ahead and hammer this out from this side. That way I don't have to deal with unscrewing, because these are a pain. So I use my trusty hammer, hammer them right here, and they just fell right through. So again, take those out as well, because you're gonna have to use them. Now the reverse order of operations. Put them back on. This is again 18 millimeters. Now this one I got used. If you don't have it with the clips, you can reuse the clips from the original one. They should theoretically work. So that. Then we have the clips. It goes in like this. All right, so what I want to do before I proceed with anything else, kind of want to start mocking just the fender and the grille, see if it's gonna close properly. Let me try that out. Let me try that, and then we go from there. Well, I don't know what you guys think, but I'm pretty sure we can call this a success. All I gotta do is take it to a body shop where they can prep my fender. All I gotta do is take it to a body shop so they can prep the bumper, paint it, and it should be good to go because my grille has already been painted. So, is it possible going from 09 to 2012 that models to the next one, 13 to 19? Yes, it is. And I think, like I said before, I have never seen a video about this done before. The things that I did not use were these two. Pretty solid right there. That's not gonna go anywhere, so I can go ahead and return this to Amazon, get my money back. And for everything else, I will leave affiliate links in the description below. So stay tuned for the update video where I get this painted and ready to go. And other than that, I'm super happy because now it looks like a newer model. Okay, I didn't want to end this clip. This is the lower balance of the 2013 Plus bumper. And I realized that the one from the 2009 to 2012, which is 2011, is the original one. It actually fits perfectly fine. Everything aligns, everything's good to go. So the lower balance you can get from 2009 to 2019, it'll be the same, just FYI. Now, I have not bought the fog lights. I do have the original fog lights that came in with the bumper reinforcement, but they're bad. So I gotta buy new fog lights. I just gotta make up my mind on which ones I want to get. But other than that, I'll leave affiliate links. Again, stay tuned for part 3, quick update. I don't know how long that's gonna take, but it will get there. So again, if you want to support the channel, you can do it through the affiliate links in the description below. Let me know if you want to support. If not, that's okay. But you can give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. That will help a lot, and it's free. And if you want to see my other videos, check them out. I have a few videos about this Ram as well. And that's it for today, guys. Again, call it a success. It is possible. I have not seen it done before. I have not been able to find it. I did my research, and I was able to get everything that I needed. If I can, I'll leave, again, I'm gonna leave all the affiliate links in the description below. It was not that expensive to do. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.